In the stillness of a mountain temple, a young monk sought truth from Master Hakuin, the one who taught through riddles of silence. He asked, "Master, what is the sound of one hand clapping?" A question meant to break the mind beyond logic. For months, he meditated on the riddle, searching for sound in silence, meaning in emptiness, but found only frustration. His mind battled itself, seeking, doubting, grasping, until the very effort became unbearable. One morning, the struggle faded. Thoughts dissolved like mist. Only awareness remained vast, silent, complete. He realized, the sound of one hand is not something to hear, but to be beyond sound, beyond silence. When the questioning mind falls silent, duality ends. One hand, one sound, one reality, infinite and whole.